Hello kids, in the last video we read this story and in this video we will do its exercise. Let's take the first question. First question is, let's read. I love plants. The chicks ran to their mother. Next question we have is, reading is fun. First question, name the chicks in the story. The chicks in the story are Lalu and Pilu. Next question, who liked yellow things? Pilu liked yellow things. Next we have, what did Lalu eat one day? One day Lalu ate a red chili. Next question is, let's talk. Pilu brought a yellow laddu for Lalu. What are the other things Pilu could have brought that are both yellow and sweet? Name at least two. Example, a mango. To answer this question, we need to think about the things that are both yellow and sweet. So, the other things could be banana, mango, and pineapple. Next question we have, let's share. Lalu loves red things, Pilu loves yellow things. The color red is called lal in Hindi and yellow is called pila. What do you call these colors in your language? Our language is Hindi. So yellow is pila in Hindi and red is lal in Hindi. If your language is different, so you can write the words which you have in your language for for yellow and red color. Next question is, give names to these chicks using the names of some other colors in your language. All right. So look at this chick. It is red in color and the name written here for him is Lalu. And in Hindi we can call it Lal also. Now come to the next chick. It is yellow in color and the name written here is Pilu. And we can call this chick Pila. Alright, the next chick is blue in color and we can call him Nilu. And this chick is black in color, so we can name him Kalu. Alright. Next question we have is this. Let's write. Match the chicks to the eggs that have hatched from. Match the chicks to the eggs they have hatched from. One has done for you. Trace the letters on the eggs. A, E, I, O, U. Now look at these chicks. The chicks are given in yellow color. And what is written on them? A, E, I, O, U. Now look at these hatched eggs. What is written here? Yes, first we have to trace the letter that is written on these hatched eggs. Let's start with the first one. I am doing the first for you. Follow the given direction. Yes, and join these dots. And what do you get? Yes, we get the letter E. Now in the same way, you complete tracing all these the letter that are given on these hatched eggs. Now let's start with the first one. The letter written on this egg is E. Now look at the chicks and match with the chick on which E is written. So this is done for us. And now look at the second egg. What is written on it? Yes, U is written on it. Now look at the chicks. Where? On which chick U is written? Yes, at the last chick. So let's match it. Alright, in the same way, look at this one. A is written here. On which chick A is written? Yes, on this one. Now I is written on this chick. Now look at on this egg. Now look at the chicks. Where I is written? Yes, on this chick. Now look at this hatched egg. What is written? O is written here. And on which chick O is written? Yes, on this chick. In this way, do it in your book. Next question we have. Let's draw. Trace and color these flowers. So we have 3 flowers. You can see here. First is the red rose, second one is bluebells, third one is yellow sunflower. Now look at the first picture. Yes, it is a red rose. First we need to do is trace these flowers. Use your pencil and join all the dots. And what will you get? At the first picture you will get a beautiful rose. Now fill this rose with the red color. Now come to the next. Yes, after tracing you will get a beautiful bluebells flower. And now fill this flower with the blue color. Now come to the last one. This one. This is a sunflower. So after tracing, fill it with the yellow color. Alright. Now come to this. Riddle time. Riddle time. Red plus yellow is orange. Red plus blue is purple. Blue plus yellow is green. Add white to make them light. So here you can see we have 3 main colors. Red, blue and yellow. And if we mix any other color with them, then we will get a different color. Next, yes, in this same chapter, one more story is given for you that is also related to hen and chicks. Okay, and you have to act out this play at your home with your friends or siblings. Let's start. What is the title? Mother hen and the chicks. Let's act. Yes, this one is the dialogue of this hen. Now here hen is saying, "Come to me, chicks. I want you here." Now look at the chicks. These are the chicks. Now chicks are saying, "What do you want, mother?" Now it's turn of hen. "Look at me. Do what I do. Down and up and down." Now look at this yellow chick. Yellow, we can call it Pilu. Pilu is saying, "Mother, mother, I can do what you do. Look at me. Down and up and down." Now this brown color chick is saying something. Something to these other chicks. "Look at me, chicks. Do what I do. Up, down. Oh. Now they are running towards mother and they are saying something. What are they saying? "Mother, mother, the water. Percy is down in the water." Who is Percy here? Yes, the name of this brown color chick is Percy. Now mother hen is saying, "Oh, Percy." And this act is adapted from E.H. Gresham. Okay, you can act this play at your home with your siblings and with your friends. All right, this is all about this chapter. I hope you liked it and you have enjoyed this video. Thank you.